Your love has ravished my heart and taken it over, taken it over. And all I want is to be with you forever, with you forever. So pull me a little closer and take me a little deeper. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. 'Cause your love is so much sweeter than anything I've tasted. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. Our heart desires, Lord. Father, we ask that you pull us closer. We ask that you take us deeper. We ask that you alone be magnified in our life, oh God. Father, we ask that we depend solely on you. Amen. Oh, sing your love.
Your love has ravished my heart,
taken me over,
taken me over, taken me over.
And all I want
is to be with you forever, with you forever.
Lord,
so pull me a little closer and take me a little deeper. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart.
Your love is so much sweeter.
That is so much sweeter
than anything I've tasted.
Anything I've tasted. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart.
Lord, pull me a little closer.
Pull me a little closer.
And take me a little deeper.
Take me a little deeper. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart.
'Cause your love is so much sweeter.
Love is so much sweeter.
Anything I've tasted.
Anything I've tasted. I want to know your heart.
I want to know your heart. Lord, pull me a little closer. And take me a little deeper. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. 'Cause your love is so much sweeter than anything I've tasted. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. Lord, pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. 'Cause your love is so much sweeter than anything I've tasted. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. Lord, pull me a little closer. Pull me a little closer. Pull me a little closer. Lord, pull me a little closer. Now take me a little deeper. Pull me a little closer. And take me a little deeper. Pull me a little closer. Lord, pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. 'Cause your love is so much sweeter than anything I've tasted. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. Pull me a little closer and take me a little deeper. I want to know your heart. I want to know your heart. So much sweeter. So much sweeter. You're so much sweeter. Lord, you're so much sweet. Sing, Lord, you're so much sweeter.
So much sweeter.
So much sweeter.
So much sweeter.
much sweeter,
so much sweeter,
so much sweeter,
so much sweeter.
pull me a little closer,
Pull me a little closer, take me a little deeper. I wanna know your heart. I wanna know your heart.
love is so much sweeter,
Love is so much sweeter.
anything I've tasted,
Anything I
wanna
tasted,
know your
I wanna know your heart. I wanna know your heart. Pull me a little closer, take me a little deeper. I wanna know your heart. I wanna know your heart. Your love is so much sweeter than anything I've tasted. I wanna know, I wanna know your heart. Let that be our heart's cry this morning. That we do nothing without His leading. And the only way to be that close and to walk in alignment with God is to recognize His name, to have a relationship with Him enough to trust Him, to trust His name, to trust that there's power in the name of Jesus, enough for you to just let go and let God. So are you ready to dance this morning and just celebrate Jesus as we put all our burdens down and trust in Him wholeheartedly? Come on now, put your hands together. I want you to clap like no other time and just celebrate your God and the trust that you have in Him. We love to call your name. It's something we cannot explain that happens when we proclaim your great name, your great name. So much power in His name. Sing that. Let me hear you sing. There is power in the name of Jesus. Do you believe that this morning? Power in the name. At the mention of that name, there is power in the name of Jesus. Demons will flee. Power in the name. There's power. what it is, no matter what it is, no matter what it is, there is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is freedom in that name. There is freedom in that name.
When I call your name,
There is freedom in that name.
when I call your name,
Somebody is getting free this morning. Someone set free this morning. When I call your name, Lord.
when I call your name,
When I call your name.
when I call your name,
Come on, call his name this morning.
when I call your name,
Jesus.
when I call your name,
Jesus.
when I call your name.
Hallelujah. 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 There's power in the name of Jesus. It is a name that you can rely on. It is a name that you can trust. I'm not just saying it. I live it. I know what I'm saying. I'm a testimony of the power in that name. I'm not saying I'm perfect. What I'm saying is every day, every step I take, it's because of the power in his name. Because if it was left to men, if it was left to me, I'd be nothing. If it was left to us 90% of the time, we are our condemnation. But when we walk with him, when we talk with him, when we know him, when you commune with him, when you're familiar with him, when you know your purpose, when you're in the center of your purpose, center of the will of God for your life, you're able to take steps daily that are not controlled by you, that are ordered by him. So I want to challenge somebody this morning that your heart's cry will be that God will set your heart on fire for him, that he will align you with what his will for you is, so that daily when you wake up and you're struggling, you can just let go and trust that he will order your steps. Oh Lord, set my heart on fire for you. This is your heart's cry. Oh Lord, set my heart in order for you. For you. Oh Lord, set my heart on fire for you. Oh Lord, set my life in order for you. For you. I want to know you. love is so much sweeter than anything I've tasted. I want to know your heart. Come on, let that be your heart's cry this morning. Come on, sing that till it's familiar with your spirit. Sing that till your spirit knows that. Till that's all you're craving. Till that's all you want. I want to know. Sing, pull me a little.
Love is so much sweeter than anything I tasted. I want to know your heart.
I want to know. Lord, pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. I want to know. Lord, I want to know. Lord, pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. I want to know. I want to know. Say, pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. I want to know. I want to know. Say, pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. Pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. Pull me a little closer. Take me a little deeper. I wanna know. I wanna know your heart. I wanna know your heart. I wanna walk like you. I wanna think like you. I wanna be like you. I wanna think like you. I wanna walk with you. I wanna work for you. I wanna spend my life for you, Jesus. Set my heart on fire for you. Set my life in order for you. Oh, set my heart on fire for you. Lord, set my heart in order for you.